Hey guys, insurance. Excuse me. So, I might do a fan meet. Not in maybe far for light trained or something. It's gonna be Fostoria or Deschler, Ohio. If you do not know what that is, Fostoria is a very good place to go rail fanning. Best places to rail fan. You search on Google. Rail fan home here. Here's a map. Then you see Deschler. One sec. Let me regain a little focus. Oops. Okay, press a little button on my camera. There is mouse go. Deschler. There is Fostoria. So let's go to maps. There's Maria, Lima. Here's Deschler. Double line and a Toledo sub. There's and here's Fostoria. So if you guys can't make it out there, it's fine. July 9th, I was planning on going. But so in Fostoria, how many trains come through a day? CSX Transport, 2 lines, B&O Main, and CNO Toledo Sub, and Norfolk Southern Railway. Rail traffic expects 80 trains through town every 24 hours. Due to the triangle, trains usually only move on one line at a time. Blah, blah, blah. Restrooms on site, yes, heated. Don't need heated during weather. So, okay, park built for just walking. Blah, 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 blah. Free parking, and a large lot for autos, buses, RVs. Lighting for nighttime rail fanning. Motels. Rail fan and motels, hotels. Best Western motels about 10 minutes up US 23. Best kept motel in town and run by, I guess, rail fans. So, like, well, you won't see any. You'll see BNSF, Norfolk Southern, CSX. Every once in a while, Canadian Pacific, Intermodal, UP, BNSF. You might see C39 Top Hats, NS Heritage, not UP, but CSX stickers, then Deschler. Let's go to Deschler. I'll put the link for this in there. Okay, location, town, Deschler, Ohio. Crossroads. Expect 40 trains a day and around 10 plus trains daily on the Toledo line, most of which are 2 from the south, so they're coming down south. Yes, Porta John located on site. Food sandwich shop, blah blah blah. Yes, Carter. Lighting now, they're not really sure, but you'll honestly just see CSX, only CSX. You might see the occasional BNSF, UP, lease power, but so yeah, July 9th through 12th, I believe. I'll be rail fanning with my new Canon. Then what I'm trying to shoot for next is what I really would like is a DJI Mavic Pro and a Canon Vixia HF G40. The Mavic Pro is 13 and the camera is 12. This camera was pretty cheap. So yeah. Whoa, you just saw that. So yeah, guys, please like and subscribe. If I do go, I'll update it. I'll put update in the title saying I am going or I am not. So yeah, please like and subscribe. Peace out.